Hey Bob, got your bike ready to go? No speedometer. I might put one on it. It's a little tricky on the shifting. I don't know if you're used to this. It's got these little buttons for downshifting, and then to upshift, you push the brake lever right or left. That would take me some getting used to, but you may already have that on your other bike. And the position is like so. You're used to that, I'm not, so it would drive me nuts. Got a little bit of a luggage thing here, not much. You can keep your wallet, passport, stuff, repair kit. I got the Bob trailer on, fits nicely. Got the waterproof bag. Just put all your stuff in there. Interlock these flaps, fold it over, fix it up, stick it in your Bob, and away you go. Got a spare tire and a spare tube inside of here. The flag, gotta be safety. So, it's working. It's almost a brand new bike, so you shouldn't have any problems. If you do the test ride and it's not perfect, you can switch over to my hybrid that I had last year, had for many years. It's a good bike. I don't like the bent over position. It gives me a backache just thinking about it. With just two bikes, we may skip the rack on the roof and just put them inside. So, it's all aired up and ready to go. If you have any questions, send me an email. But, should be good. Should be good. This seat was much higher when Braz was riding. It was like up here, but I lowered it for my purposes. It's easy to change. All right, one guy's ready to go. Now I got to get the other one.